Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the selection sort problem easily. So to solve the selection sort problem, first we will be dividing the given list of element into two parts, that is two sublists. One will be of the sorted sublist and another one will be of the unsorted sublist. Here in the sorted sublist we can arrange or sort the given elements in the increasing order or decreasing order. So that is in ascending or descending. But in most of the exams they will ask the ascending order. So in this video let's discuss how to solve the ascending as well as the descending order of the given selection sort problem. So the only one rule which we will be using in the selection sort problem will be swap the smallest element in the unsorted sublist. Whatever the operations that we perform in the selection sort will only be applied on the unsorted sublist only, not on the sorted sublist. It will be applied only on the unsorted sublist. What we must do? We must see the smallest element in the unsorted sublist and the first element of the unsorted sublist. First element and the smallest element. We must swap each other. So first we will go to the smallest element place and smallest element will come to the first place, like that. So here smallest element will go to first place and first place will go to the smallest element place only in the unsorted sublist. So let's jump into the problem. First let's sort or arrange them in the ascending, that is the increasing order. Later on let's discuss how to solve or sort in the descending order. Now to solve this problem, first name the given list of elements or the array. So I have named it as x. You can use any variable. Next index them 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 to 5 means what will be my length of the array? So length of the array of the given list of element, that is total number of elements. N is equal to 6. 0 to 5 means total 6 elements. Since we got the length of the array, so we can find out how many steps are required to solve the selection sort problem. So therefore n minus 1 steps will be required. Here n value is 6. So 6 minus 1 will be 5. In 5 steps we can complete this selection sort problem. So first what you must do is, I told sorted and unsorted, two parts will be there. So here we will be considering at the starting we will be considering all the elements as the unsorted sublist. All the elements in the unsorted sublist. So nothing is in the sorted sublist. If you consider the left hand side as the sorted and this as the unsorted sublist, all the elements at the starting will be considered as the unsorted elements, that is will be in the unsorted sublist. What we must do? We must see the smallest element and the first element in the unsorted sublist. The first element is 7 and in the unsorted sublist the smallest element is 1. So we got the smallest element and the first element. What we must do? We must swap. So 7 will go to 1's place and 1 will come to 7's place. All the elements remain same. 4, 10, 8 and 3. Now the smallest element 1 is already written. So this will be in the sorted sublist and this will be in the unsorted sublist. Now again apply the same rule. Find the smallest element in the unsorted sublist. The smallest element is 3 and the first element in the unsorted sublist is 4. Here this went to the sorted sublist. Now what you must do? Swap the first element and the smallest element. So 1 will remain as it is. Next 4 will go to 3 place, 3 will come to 4's place. 3, 10, 8, 4 and 7. Now up to this much, this will be the sorted sublist and this will be the unsorted sublist. Now again find the smallest element. Smallest element is 4 and the first element is 10. What you will be doing? Swap. So 1 will remain same, 3 will be same and 10 will be replaced with 4. 8 will be same and 4 will be replaced with 10 because we swapped the elements. 7. Now up to this much, this will be the sorted array and this is the unsorted. So earlier I said we are sorting the given list of elements in the increasing order, that is ascending order. If you see the sorted sublist 1, 3, 4, it is in the increasing order. So we will be continuing up to all the elements are in the increasing order. So in next step, the smallest element is 7 and the first element is 8. Swap them. So if you swap, 1 will remain same, 3 will be same, 4 will be same and 7 will be at the 8th place, 10 will be same and 8 will go to 7th place. Now up to this much, this will be the sorted sublist and only 2 elements are left in my unsorted sublist. Here the smallest element is 8 and the first element in the unsorted sublist is 10. Swap both of them. So if you swap, 1 will remain same, 3 will be same, 4 will be same, 7 will be same, 10 will be replaced with 8 and 8 will be replaced with 10. Now if you see, all the elements are arranged in the increasing order or sorted in the increasing order, that is ascending. 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10. So our problem will be ending here. So I said n means the length of the given list of element or the array. So how many steps will be required? N minus 1 steps, that is 6 minus 1, that is 5 steps. So 5 steps was required to solve the given selection sort problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 steps we solved the selection sort problem. Now let's discuss how to solve the selection sort problem, that is the given selection sort problem in the descending order. Descending. While solving in the descending order, what we will be doing? We will not swap the smallest element. We will be swapping the largest element. We will be swapping the largest element because in the decreasing order, the element size will or the element value will decrease. So the higher value will be at the first and the smaller will be at the right hand side. So what we will be doing? We will be taking the largest element and swap it with the first element of the unsorted sublist. Same funda, same number of steps will be used and sorted will be here and unsorted. All the elements at the starting will be considered as the unsorted sublist. Now, what I told, find the largest element in the unsorted sublist. Largest element is 10 and the first element is 7. Swap both of them. If you swap, 10 will replace 7, 4 will be same, 7 will be at 10's place, 8, 3 and 1. Now 10 is sorted, only 5 elements are left in the unsorted sublist. Find the largest element is 8 and the first element is 4. So if you swap both of them, 10 will be same, 4 will be replaced with 8 and 7 will be same and 8 will be replaced with 4, 3 will be same, 1. Next up to this sorted sublist, here 4 elements are left in the unsorted sublist. Now again, find the largest element in the unsorted sublist. Largest element is 7 and the first element is also 7. What we will be doing? We will be repeating the same process here. 10, 8, 7, 4, 3, 1. Here the first element was also 7 and the larger element was also 7. So we wrote as it is. Now 7 is also sorted. Only 3 elements are left in the unsorted sublist. The largest element is 4 and if you see, the 4 is the first element in the unsorted sublist. So therefore it will be in the same place only. Now 4 is also sorted. You can write in the next step or you can see here itself. Next, again only 2 elements are left in the unsorted sublist. Among them 3 is the largest and 3 is the first element in the unsorted sublist. There is no need to change because after 3 1 will be coming. If you see, we have arranged the elements in the decreasing order, 10, 8, 7, 4, 3, 1. So the maximum steps required to solve this selection sort problem was 5, but if you see here, it was solved in the 3 steps only. If you see, only in the 2 steps only it has been solved because 7 we repeated the process here, 4, 3, 2, 1. So hope you understood the concept of the selection sort problem. If you liked the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. And if you have any doubt, please do comment below. Please do comment below. Thank you.